Our daily Sudoku practice continues. Hello, everyone, welcome. Today, yes, it's weekend. Today, in the weekend edition of Saturday, January the 27th, 2024, we have here, show you again, January the 27th, 2024. We have two regular puzzles, and those puzzles are the Medium Sudoku. I will solve this within in a minute, and we have also a Samurai Sudoku. This I will solve tomorrow on Sunday evening. And in this daily newspaper, weekend edition, we have here a puzzle page. And in this puzzle page, we have here 6 extra puzzles. And those puzzles are the 3-star Sudoku, another 3-star Sudoku, the killer Sudoku, 2 binaries 10 by 10, and a tectonic, aka jigsaw Sudoku. And in this daily newspaper, we have also an additional with extra puzzles. Let me show you. For tomorrow on Sunday, we have 7 extra puzzles. 4 of them I will solve in the afternoon. Tomorrow afternoon, Sunday afternoon, we have the letter Sudoku, 2 stars, 3 stars, 4-star Sudoku, 2 jigsaw Sudokus, 1 with 4 stars, 1 with 1 star, and the last puzzle is the binary puzzle. These puzzles I'm not interested. Total of 7 extra puzzles. 4 of them I will solve tomorrow afternoon, Sunday afternoon. But let me continue with this one. The medium Sudoku number. This will be number. Let me zoom this. Yeah, all right. 7881. Yeah, 7811. Oh, what's happening? What's happening? All right. 7881. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. I've not counted yet. Let me do this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 28 printed digits. Well. Should be easier than the 1-star. The 1-star puzzle has 27 printed digits. This one has 28. We'll see what time I will solve this. Alright, so let's get started. Let me see which number can I pick. How about the number 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is a 2. We have a 2 in this row, so no 2 in these 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 2 in this big square should be there. So 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers, the 1 is missing. The 2, 3, the 4, the 5. 6 is missing. 1 and 6, 1 and the 6. Alright. Need an 8 here, need a 3. Yeah. 4 missing numbers now in this row. 2 of those missing numbers are the 8 and the 3. We have 8 and the 3 in this big square, so no 8 and 3 in these 2 boxes. The 8 and 3 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 8 and a 3, 8 and a 3. We have a 3 in the second column, no 3 there. 3 should be here and 8 goes there, so 2 numbers left in this row. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2, the 3. 4 is missing. The 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, and the 9 is missing. 4 and the 9, 4 and the 9. We have a 9 in the last column, no 9 there. 9 should be here and the 4 goes there. 4 in this column, first column, 4 in the second column. So the third column, the only place left for the 4 should be there. 4, okay. 4. Okay, need a 4 there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 4. We have a 4 in this row, so no 4 in these 3 boxes. And we have a 4 in the middle column, so no 4 in those 2 boxes. So the 4 in this big square could be here, could be there. 4 in one of those 2 boxes in this row, 4 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only 2 places left, the 4 should be here or there. We have a 4 in the last column, no 4 there, 4 should be there. 4 in the last column, 4 in the column next. So that column, the only place left, the 4 should be there. 4 in the first row, 4 in the third row. So the row between the second row, the only 2 places left, the 4 should be here or there. We have a 4 in the middle column, no 4 there, 4 should be there. I've marked those 2 boxes earlier with a 4. We have a 4 now in this column, so no 4 there, 4 should be there. And all the 4s are used. I can see. Digit number 1, number 4. Okay. All right. Let me. Troubles with the tripod. All right. Now it's corrected. Then let me see. 4 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers are the 1 and 7. We have a 1 and 7 in this column, so no 1 and 7 in these 2 boxes. 1 and 7 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 1 and 7, 1 and 7. So what are the other 2 missing numbers in this big square? Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing, and the 6 is missing. 5 and 6, 5 and 6. We have a 5 in this row, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 6 goes there. So 1 is left in this column for the number 1. The 2 is missing. Need a 2 here, need a 1 here, need an 8 there. 8 in this column, 8 in that column, so the column between. The only place left with 8 should be there, so 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers, the 1 and is missing, and the 2 is missing. 1 and the 2, let me mark those 1 and the 2. That means we have a 1 in one of those 2 boxes in this column. So this box can be 1 anymore. That box should be a 1, and this box should be a 7. 7 in this column, 7 in the last column, so the column between, the only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. We have a 7 in this row, no 7 there, 7 should be there. 1 box left in this column for number the 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8, 9 is missing. 2 missing numbers now in this big square. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2, 3 is missing, the 4 and the 5 is missing, 3 and the 5, 3 and the 5. We have 5 in the middle row, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 3 goes there. Need a 5 here. Alright. Need a 1 here. Need a 7 there. Well. Come on. This is taking too long. 9 in this column, 9 in the middle column, so the column next, the only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We have a 9 in this row, no 9 there. 9 should be there. The 9 in the first row, the 9 in the second row, so the third row, the only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We have a 9 in the third column, no 9 there. 9 should be there. The 9 in the third column, the 9 in the second column, so the first column, the only 3 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We have a 9 in this row, no 9 there. 9 in that row, no 9 there. The only place left for the 9 should be there. Alright, so now, need a 2, need a 6, yeah. 6 in this row, 6 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only place left for the 6 should be there. So 2 numbers left now in this middle row for numbers. The 1, 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing. 2 and a 7, 2 and a 7. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Then 2, 3, 8. 3, 3. 8, 8. Well. 5 in the first row, 5 in the third row. So the row between the second row, the only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We have a 5 in the first column, no 5 there. 5 should be there. 5 in the third column, 5 in the first column. So the column between the second column, the only place left for the 5 should be there. And all the 5s are used. I can see. Digit number 2, number 5. Okay. Then 1, need a 3, need an 8. Okay, 1 and a 6. We have a 6 now in the middle column. No 6 there. 6 should be here. No 1 goes there. 6 in the first in this column. 6 in the middle column. So the column next, the only 2 place level. The 6 should be here or there. We have a 6 in the first row. No 6 there. 6 should be here. 6 in the first row. 6 in the third row. So the row between the second row. Only place level. The 6 should be there. 6 in the first column. 6 in the third column, so the column between the second column, the only 2 place level, the 6 should be here or there. We have a 6 in this row, no 6 there. 6 should be there. And all the 6s are used. I can see digit number 3, number 6. Okay, 1 box left now in the last row for number 1. 1 in this row, 1 in the second row. So the third row, the only 2 place level, the 1 should be here or there. We have a 1 in the first column, no 1 there. 1 should be there. 1 in the third column, 1 in the first column. So the column between the second column, only place level, the 1 should be there. The 1 in this column, the 1 in the middle column. So the column next, the only 2 place level, the 1 should be here or there. We have a 1 in the first row, no 1 there. 1 should be there. 1 in the 2, we have a 1 now in the third row, no 1 there. 1 should be here and the 2 goes there. And all the 1s are used. I can see digit number 4, number 1. Alright, 2 numbers left now in this big square for numbers 1. 2, 3 is missing, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7, 8 is missing, 3 and 8, 3 and 8. Let me mark those. Here, 2 numbers left. I believe the 2 and the 7 here in the second column. Here also 2 and the 7. That means here also 2 and the 7. Well, that means we need an 8 here. 8 here. Okay. 3 and the 8 are left here. Okay. So I need here a 2. Need a 2 here. 3 and 8. Oh. 3, 8, and a 2 in this row. We have a 3 and 8 in this column. So here can be 3 and an 8. 3 and 8 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. So this should be a 2 then. 2 in this column, 2 in that column. So the column between the middle column, the only 2 place level, the 2 should be here or there. I think the 2 should be here. Yep, we need a 2 in the second row. Here, 3 and the 8 are missing in this column. We have a 3 in the third row, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and 8 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for number 8. 3 and 8, we have 8 in this row, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and a 3 goes there. Mark those 2 boxes earlier with 8. We have 8 now in this row, so no 8 there. 8 should be here, so the 2 and the 7 are left. We have a 2 in this third row, no 2 there. 2 should be here. 7 goes there. 2 to 7, we have 7 in the third column, no 7 there. 7 should be here. 2 goes there. And the final 2 numbers in this big square for the 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. 4 to 5 to 6, 7 is missing. 3 and 7, 3 and 7. We have 7 in the middle column, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 3 goes there. Finished in 13 minutes. Wow. Oh, 2 and 7. We have a 7 in the second column, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and 2 goes there. Still 13 minutes. Well, 0 stars. Well. I'm faster than 40 minutes. 30 minutes. Yeah, definitely a 0 stars. And I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so I can make it solve myself. Thank you again for watching. And we will meet again in the evening with the other 4 puzzles in the puzzle page. Until then, bye-bye. Bye-bye for now.